Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this boxed copy of Windows 3.1. Now, it was a surprise on eBay and it came up at, well, this was selling for about 10 quid, so rather good really. I mean, for the price, it is actually in the condition you'd expect. Some of these went over with a Biro a few times to get the ink working properly, which annoys me greatly. And if I open this up now, we can have a look at what's inside. But first of all, let's actually have a look at the back. So we can see here that it's got, oh gosh, all kinds of diagrams. The Microsoft Windows operating system enhances MS-DOS to make your PC easier to use. Discover the point and click simplicity of Windows. Oh crikey. It is so interesting looking at all this archaic stuff that it's got on it though, and especially if I zoom in slightly. Like on this diagram for example, it almost looks like a Minecraft thing. Wow. Anyway, zoom out. Oh god, I haven't played that game in years. But the interesting thing about this unit is what's inside it. So as you can see, we've got a cardboard top here. We can sort of empty it out. Put that over there. Now we've got the original installation discs here, and oh gosh, there's something weird in yellow on this one. As you can see, that is the same for a few of them as well. But they are all there, so there's disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 4, that's got weird yellow stuff on it as well. 5, 6 and 7. And 7 is additional printer drivers, so that isn't really necessary anyway, which is good. And here is the monstrosity of a user guide, which is absolutely ginormous. I don't even know how many pages are inside this. Turn it over to the last page. There's lots of blank pages on this thing. Oh, here we go. 650. So there are 650 pages in its user guide, which I can imagine is quite long, very boring, but by the same token it's got quite a bit of historical value. So we can stick that over there. And the good thing about that user guide is it is in pristine condition. There's no Biro marks on it, and I mean even on this cardboard over here somebody's written something on it, VER, which is a MS-DOS command. So there's a leaflet there for Carnival Cruise Lines. Gosh, look at that. There's a product this is when you had to register your copy of Windows through the post. I'd love to see what happens if I photocopied that and actually sent it through the post. Although I won't do that because they'll most probably send me back a very colourful letter saying how much they disliked that. Anyway, so we've got a few other things here. Hardware compatibility list. Oh gosh. Well, that is quite extensive, isn't it? Tandrom, Tiki, whatever that one was. There's Victor's as well. Leading Edge. Commodore. Wow. It's even got Compact LTE there. I had one of those ones, Compact LTE. It was, oh, what was it? I think it was a 386-20. Although that was a Compact LTE Elite, I think it was. There's the Microsoft license agreement when it was actually in paper. Now, nothing on the other side of that one. And there's the discs. I mean, it's fascinating looking at this. But obviously it does need some restoration. I've looked up how to get Biro off of cardboard and things like that. And it does say, like if I zoom in, or if I enhance it on this side, you can see this Biro on that. It did say on the internet that you can use nail polish remover. How true that is, however, I do not know, and what effect that would have on cardboard that already has ink on it, I also don't know. So that's the issue there. I don't know if it will take off the original, obviously, ink on the box, rather than just the Biro. That's what I'm worried about with that. I mean, mostly it's in good condition. It's got a few creases, like obviously you can see it all up here. But there's no actual proper rips or anything, which is good. And it's mostly in pretty good condition. So that's that anyway. I mean, I could remove obviously that ink over there, but yeah, that's really all I dare to do. But I think what I'm going to do is, obviously this was a bit of an overview of this, but next time, on part 2 of this video, I'll actually have a look at, well, I properly research how to remove Biro ink only, if that's possible, from cardboard without actually removing original ink. So that should be interesting. Maybe it will be a matter of posting in lots of forums. But that's it for today. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and next time we'll be taking a look at a boxed copy of Windows 98 that's actually in a lot better condition than this, and along with that we'll be taking a look at Microsoft Plus 98. That is a add-on component for Windows 98. So until that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you stay tuned for part 2, which will be out for, I don't know, in about a couple of weeks time anyway, or maybe even a couple of months, depending on how long it takes me to get everything together with this thing. But anyway, I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day, morning, evening, and well, that's basically it. If you like this video, then please subscribe, as it gives me some more motivation to make new ones, and goodbye. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at a boxed copy of Windows 98 and a boxed copy of Microsoft Plus 98. Now, there's no real need to restore these, seeing as they're in pretty good condition, but it'll be interesting to look through them anyway if you'd like to. So, until the next video, I do hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye.